Today, we're going to dive into the masterpiece that redefined the pickup game, the 2025 Chevrolet C10. This isn't just a truck. It's a symphony of retro design cues and futuristic performance. Let's break down every inch of this beast, from its striking front end to its powerful heart beneath the hood. At first glance, the front of the 2025 Chevrolet C10 is a perfect blend of classic toughness and modern sophistication. The front fascia maintains the C10's timeless heritage, with a bold black grille that screams aggression and elegance. The sleek LED headlights are seamlessly integrated, giving it a sharp, focused look, like a beast ready to pounce. The lower bumper is subtle yet purposeful, sitting flush against the ground to create the low stance enthusiasts crave. Moving to the rear, the C10 flaunts a special touch with Chevrolet boldly emblazoned on the tailgate, a nod to its heritage with a touch of personalization. The taillights are sleek and subtle, accentuating the truck's wide stance. And check out the dual exhaust tucked neatly beneath. That exhaust doesn't just look good, it sounds even better, hinting at the power within. This isn't just a truck bed. It's a statement of style and functionality, with every detail crafted to elevate the C10's heritage. Now let's talk power. The 2025 C10 isn't just about looks. It's got power under the hood. Equipped with a modern, powerful V8, this pickup doesn't just roar, it thunders. Its engine is designed for raw power and refined performance, delivering a thrilling output on the highway and capable of going off the beaten path. The new C10 isn't just about nostalgia. It's about channeling that power to the pavement in a way that feels fresh and exhilarating. Step inside, and you'll be greeted with a cabin that blends old-school charm with cutting-edge technology. The leather seats pay homage to classic design, but with all the modern conveniences you'd expect. The dashboard is a mix of retro-inspired dials and digital displays, giving you all the information you need at a glance. And the steering wheel? Wrapped in premium materials. It feels great in your hands, connecting you directly to this automotive icon. The 2025 Chevrolet C10 is more than just a truck. It's a rolling tribute to a bygone era, reimagined for the future. It blends style, power, and technology in a way that makes it not just a vehicle, but an experience. Whether you're a fan of classic pickups or a lover of modern power, the C10 is sure to turn heads and get your adrenaline pumping. So what do you think? Is the new C10 the perfect blend of past and present? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting reviews.